a time or two.
Yeah, it has been.
Is that what you did last year?
Okay.
Why are you ready to get yourself?
So, clear your desk, guys. You can take notes if you want.
Yeah?
We're going to review fractions. I will post this for you on YouTube, and you can rewatch it all you want. Everything you need to know about fractions that we've learned and that you're going to learn as you grow up is going to be right here. Fractions are, get your paper out, start taking some notes, guys. Fractions are a part of a whole.
Hold on.
Mr. Becker, you want to know what I would write on my notes? The YouTube address.
Well, I will, yeah, I'll make the YouTube address available to you. Nope. A fraction is a part of a whole. What do you need? Yes.
Mr. Becker, could we just write them with like a dot and like write it?
Yeah, let's go. Setting the timer for 8 minutes. I'm not going any longer. Fraction is part of a whole. You did not finish all of your assignment. You finished 3/4 of your assignment. You didn't finish all of it. It is part of a whole. 3/4. What is this number called? What? Numerator. What's the bottom one called?
Denominator.
Denominator. And what is this called? Or what does it do? Divide. Good. This is a regular old fraction, okay? Now we've got 5/3. Is that a regular old fraction, Alex? You remember?
No.
What is it called? Oh man, you're thinking. Improper, good job. This is an improper fraction. It is bigger than a whole. It is more than a whole. Bless you.
Thank you.
Not proper. Improper. It's like walking around with a head bigger than your body. That would be improper. So we count by the denominator.
Like this guy.
3 plus what equals 5?
2.
3 plus 2 equals 5. So we've got 3/3 and 2/3. So we've got 1 and 2/3. Okay? 1, 3/3 and 2/3. What do we have all together? Count them up. Look at the board. Count them up. 1, 5. 5/3. Okay? Improper fraction. Now we have this. What kind of number is this?
Mixed number.
Good. Mixed number. Mixed number. Nice job. Mixed number. Now when you're working with fractions, one thing you have to be able to do. If you can do it, you can work with fractions. 1/3, 1/4. Working with these fractions is difficult because they don't have common what?
Denominators.
We've got to find common denominators, okay? So here we go. 1, let's make it a little bit more challenging. 2/3 and 4/5. So Luella finished 4/5 of her assignment, and Billy finished 2/3 of the assignment. Okay?
They're the same thing.
They're not the same thing. Who finished more, who finished less? Do you know?
Oh yeah, Lola finished more and he finished less.
How do you know?
Because 2/3 is smaller than
Mm.
4/5.
You've got to do what?
Five.
No.
No. You've got to find the common denominator.
Common denominators. So here we go. These denominators are not the same. Numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. We have to find common denominators. So here we go. Do what I'm doing. Ready, Seth? Give me the first 5 multiples of. Give me the first 4 multiples. Go for it.
3, 6, 9, 12.
3, 6, 9, 12. What are these called?
Common denominator.
No, they're not common denominators.
Multiple.
These are multiples. Give me the first 4 of 5. Julian. 5.
15, 20.
What are these called? Multiples. Do we have anything in common?
No.
No. Darn it. Let's do a couple more. 15, 18.
Yes.
We have something in common.
15.
15. Now here's the big one. Multiplying by 1.
No. No, you multiply.
What do I write on the bottom to make this 1?
3.
Okay. What do I write on the top to make that 1?
17.
Okay. What do I write on the bottom to make this 1?
7.
What do I write on the top to make this 1?
121.
If I multiply by 1, it doesn't change anything because this means what?
Divide.
Anything divided by itself is 1. So, Alexia, how did we go from 5 to 15? What did I multiply by? Good. And
Isn't it 4?
Kenzie, what did I do to 3 to turn it into 15?
5 over 5.
You multiply by 5. 5 over 5.
That one's 3.
Multiply straight across. What do you have? Give it to me. Give it to me,
10.
Jose. Right here, right. Let's do it here.
10. 15.
10 15ths. Okay. And Aiden, what do you got right here?
20, 25.
What's 3 times 20?
Come on. 3 times 4. Somebody else. 9.
Wow. 12. 15. 12, 15.
Mr. Becker? Yes. Yep, he's on his way. You're welcome. Bye. Gage, you're out of here. Go that way, please. 9, go for it. 3 times 4.
12.
12.
15.
Okay, now 12 15ths and 10 15ths. Which one's bigger? Who did more? Student A or student B?
Student A.
Student A. You can't work with fractions to add or subtract or compare until you have what?
Common denominator.
Common denominators, okay? We're going to do all this stuff in a minute, but you're going to be able to review it over and over. How much more time do I have?
And 17.
Ooh, 1 minute. 17 fifths. What kind of fraction is that again? Anybody? Oh,
Improper.
improper, not proper. Like walking around with your really big head compared to your really small body. I've shown you doing it this way, counting by the denominator. 5, 10, 15,
2.
17. That's the same. And that's the same. How many 5s can you take off the top?
3.
3. And what's left?
2 fifths.
2 fifths. That's a great way to do it when you got small numbers, because if you do it this way enough, you're just going to say, I can do that in my head, Mr. Becker. Now, what if you have something like this? 78 fours. Are you going to count by 4s all the way? No. Write this down. Oh, let's go. Quotient, remainder, divisor. Quotient, remainder, divisor. Here we go. This is the last problem.
Where are you going?
Where am I going? You're going to practice. I'll finalize that and put it on the internet. You can view it over and over when you struggle. Ready? Who wants to work this? Good, Nathaniel. Go for it. 4 times what's close to 7?
1.
1. Multiply. Subtract. Compare. Bring down. 4 times what's close to 38?
9.
Okay, 9. What's 9 times 4?
36.
36. Subtract. Compare. Bring down.
2.
Nothing.
2/4.
Remainder 2, or we know we write it as 2/4. So the quotient is what?
19.
19. The remainder is,
2/4 or
2. The divisor is 4. Is this in simplest form?
No.
No. Why not?
Because it can be simplified by 2/2.
Well, if you divide by 2/2, doesn't that change the value?
No.
Why not? Why doesn't 2/2 change the value?
Because they're equivalent. They're equal.
Because,
They're what?
Julian, 2/2 equals 1. So somebody yesterday said, well, I'll just divide by 1/1. Okay. It doesn't do anything. Divide by 2/2, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't change the value.
It just changes the number.
It changes the pieces. It changes the parts of the whole. Okay? Let's look at it this way. Let's look at it this way. Luella did one half of her paper, okay? And Abby did 2/4 of her paper. Who did more? 1/2?
Neither.
2/4.
Neither.
2/4, 1/2. It's the same. We just divided it up into smaller pieces. So if you've got more people at your party, get your pizza cutter out and cut your pizza into more pieces. Okay? That's it.
It'll be the same amount, but there'll be more people.
You got it.